The government of the Virgin Islands, in partnership with the BVI International Finance Center, hosted a series of financial services training workshops targeting senior public officers. With me is the marketing manager of the IFC, Ms. Alicia Green, who is going to share more about the workshops and what the goal is. Ms. Green, tell us more about these workshops.
Well, the Go BVI Financial Services Training Workshops, this rounds are geared to, first we started with all senior officers of the civil service, and then throughout the year we will carry on sessions for the entire public service. We feel that it is very important, noting current critical times and all the attacks that are actually coming on board for the BVI, that our nationals need to be aware, educated, and knowledgeable about this very critical and important pillar of our economy, financial services. The BVI definitely has a lot of good news, despite what the media is saying, and I think it is important for us as BVI landers, as people living in the BVI, enjoying the niceties, to understand what the industry is about. And so while we have begun with the civil servants, we think that everyone has a role to play. And so the civil servants' role, what they will benefit from the training now, will be not only a further understanding, but for them to analyze how they fit and what they can do to continue to be proud and boast BVI measures in terms of financial services.
What are some of the topics to be covered during the workshops?
Well, we are basically dispelling key roles and responsibilities of the associated agencies within the industry or that make up the industry. And so, for example, this morning the IFC presented, and so there was an understanding of some history and why or how the IFC came about and what the mandate is of the IFC. They also heard from the Financial Services Commission, an understanding of what the commission does and how they kind of police the industry, which is very important. Then we will have a panel discussion with industry practitioners from every sector of the industry. And that panel discussion will also discuss the history of each sector, what they are, how they actually impact us as BVI landers or as a BVI, and also share some room for opportunity and developments for the future of the industry. Then we have representation from the International Affairs Secretariat, the Financial Investigation Agency, and definitely a Virgin Islands Shipping Registration, who will also share some of the same information with the participants.
The workshops will continue throughout the year until December as the BVI International Finance Center extends its public outreach to ensure that everyone in the community has a sound understanding of the financial services industry. Reporting from the Premier's office, I am Information Officer Nadia James Harris.